Right now I want to show you how to record video on the Garmin Monterra. You can start by opening up the camera icon from the main menu. Over on the left side of the screen you have your viewfinder, and then in the lower right you have the different modes that you can choose for your camera. So there's three options here. The one on the bottom is for taking a still photo, the one in the middle is for recording video, and the one on top is for taking a panoramic photo. We're going to be recording video right now, so make sure that the one in the middle, the picture of the video camera, is the one that is highlighted for you. The red button over on the right side is your record button, so when you press that, you're going to start recording. You'll see the elapsed time start displaying in the upper left-hand corner, and whatever passes in front of the lens is going to be recorded onto your video. You do have some other controls here. You can zoom in or out, and right now I'm recording and I'm still able to zoom in or out. So a lot of these you can do either way, even if you're recording or not. So that's one thing you can do. I'll stop recording now and show you some more settings. Down there below that circle that I just dragged, you have flash mode, which you can set to on or off. Below that is your white balance, auto, incandescent, daylight, fluorescent, or cloudy. So you can play with that depending on the light levels. Here you have some different effects that you can apply to what you're filming. If you're going to be filming someone's face, you can have different effects applied to that. You can also put in some different backgrounds. And then you have time-lapse interval. That's kind of if you're going to be doing some stop-motion photography, sort of some time-lapse type stuff. Final item in the list here is the video quality, and the Monterra is capable of recording at 480p, 720p, or 1080p. Just remember that the higher the quality, the larger the file is going to be. And there's actually one more down below the bottom of the list there, those three dots. If you tap that, that will give you the option to turn store location on or off. When store location is turned on, it's going to record the GPS coordinates of where you were when that video was filmed. And if it's turned off, it's not going to record that. You can also, from this screen, restore your defaults for the camera back to their factory settings. You can also see other videos that you've recorded or pictures that you've taken by tapping the picture in the upper right-hand corner, and that's going to take you to the gallery. So right here, that black along the right side, if you tap that, that's going to take you back to your previous screen. Over here is the video that we recorded, and over in the middle are different ways that you can share it. You can send it through Gmail or through your Google Plus account, or even send it to another device through Bluetooth. If you tap that video there in the middle, that's going to bring you to this screen where you can see other videos that you have recorded. Now, if it's a video, it's going to have that play button there in the middle, but this is just a photograph. It's not going to have that play button. So you can scroll through and see what you have in here, or you can just hit play if you want to watch the video. There's two icons in the upper right-hand corner. The one on the right is a trash can if you want to delete it. The one to the left of that gives you the option to share your video. And you also have a 3-bar menu in the upper right-hand corner, and that will give you details. For example, that does show the lat-long coordinates and also shows the date and time of the file and the size, some other stuff there as well. So that is a quick look at how to record video with the Garmin Monterra.